educators. Welcome to EduGyaan. Are you looking for free video editing software? Then this video will be helpful for you. VSDC is an open source video editing software which is free to use. In this video, we will let you know how to download and install VSDC Video Editor for free. So, let's get started. First of all, open any browser and search for VSDC Video Editor in the Google. Click on VSDC Free Video Editor to open the official website of VSDC. Now, click on the Downloads option and select Video Editor. A new window will open. On the download page, you will find two options to download the setup file. If you're using a 64-bit OS, then download the setup file by clicking on Download Video Editor 64x version, or in case of 32-bit OS, download the 32x version software. Since I'm using 64-bit OS system, so I'm downloading the 64-bit version software. You can download as per your system requirements. It will take some time to download. Let the file to get downloaded. Once the setup file gets downloaded completely, look for it in your local download folder of your PC. Right-click on the setup file and select Run as Administrator option. Wait for few seconds till the installation window opens. Click on OK to proceed further. Now, click on the Next button. Select I accept the agreement and click on the Next button to move further. Now click on the Next button continuously for 3 times. Now, it will ask to check the checkbox to create desktop shortcut icon. Select the programs whose shortcut icon you want to see on your desktop screen and click on Next. Now, click on the Install button. Microsoft Visual C++ will be installed to your device. It may take few seconds. Let the process to get completed. Once the process is completed, your browser may get opened again. Show the thank you message. You can close the browser. Now, uncheck the checkbox and click on Finish button. Congratulations! VSDC Free Video Editor is successfully installed to your PC. Please let us know in the comments section if you want tutorial videos for VSDC. Like, share, and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you soon in our next video. Till then, bye and happy teaching.